guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in like a blank screen on like this like timeline here. So go to library and you can add in this white stock video, black stock video, or this transparent one. I wouldn't call it like transparent, I don't know. But here you can extend this one, but you can't extend the white and black one. But that's because it's in a video format. So just select the video, select freeze, delete the rest, and as you can see now you can extend it to however many seconds you want. Same goes for this stock video. Select the freeze frame and then delete the rest, and then you can extend its length. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!